We are in KL in Malaysia, and then today we are going to Paddling Street and I'm getting a haircut. This is Isabel.
Hi.
She's from Sweden. And then this is, hold on, let's intro everyone.
Hi.
This is Sophia. From the States as well. And then there's a man here. So he's closing. Do you want to intro yourself, or is this not a good time?
No.
Okay, yeah, not a good time. We're shopping today because everyone else is arriving tonight at like 1 a.m. maybe?
I hope so.
So we're going to do very chill things. We're actually going to explore tomorrow. So see you at Paddling Street. What is this? Nasi something. Oh, it has like, what is it? It's like blue rice. I don't know if it's focusing. Really good. What do you think of your food, Cyrus?
It's good.
Out of 10.
So, I give it a 7, but the egg is like an 8.
8 out of 10. I wanted eggs so bad.
This is a fucking 9 out of 10.
Finished Paddling Street, but there wasn't that much to do. All we did was really like eat and then look at some stores.
I got a fan.
Yeah, so she got a fan for 15 ringgit, which is very good. She bargained.
We bargained a lot.
Yes, and then now we're gonna go to a mall and get my hair cut. Yay!
We're in the mall now.
Yes, we are. We're in Muji. Oh, it actually smells kind of good.
That was good.
It's very citrusy.
It feels like the...
Oh, I don't like that. It's so sharp.
Oh, that was very strong.
This is low-key insane. I needed to show my passport to get onto this floor, but we made it, and I think I know where the haircut appointment place is. Really good flavor, and it's actually really crispy.
Yes.
And it's really soft. Well, I'm actually very impressed.
It's hella good.
This is the chicken noodles.
Yeah, Ronnie. You know you all. You know me.
Right? Clearly picked a very good spot.
Like, it's good, it's good. It's very, like, clean. It tastes very clean.
It tastes like mom homemade chicken noodles.
Yay, this is the beef noodle.
So good.
Which is the leak?
Hello guys, we're finally getting our second round of bao.
Yeah.
Guys, this was large. This was like bigger than the last one. Okay, you know what? I'm getting it.
Can we cheers?
Yeah, cheers. He fucked up already.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He fucked
so
up.
much
Oh my
juice.
god, look at the juice.
Damn.
Okay, cheers, 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 cheers. Cheers. You're not even in the picture, girl. It's only me eating.
Huh? Oh, sorry. The small. Yeah.
He is getting tea
He's getting a white peach oolong tea
with the boba.
with boba. He was gonna get something else, but he changed it because he wants boba.
It's so cute. White.
Oh, it's white.
Peach oolong.
Oh wait, it's white peach oolong.
It's really interesting.
What does that mean?
Like, I don't know. It's unexpected.
Yeah. Oh, white peach. It was fine.
It's good
I
though.
was
Like,
just
I
not
like it.
prepared for it.
Good.
I was not prepared for it at all.
Wait, how to say?
Haha.
How her?
Oh, why is that frothy?
Now we can all be in it. No, please don't.
So
Okay, new review. I'm starting to get used to it. I give it a 7 now.
7. Why didn't you like it at first?
It was really unexpected and like super milky and like very I don't taste the peach. Like it tastes like
Wait, it's so
milk and,
peachy.
like, really?
Yeah.
I don't taste it.
We got ice cream. We got ice cream. We got Misha. Two ring it. Ring it. Two ring it.
Ring it.
And then Cyrus got wait,
Another-
Five ringgits, 13, 14 ringgits,
What's that? You have to tell them what it is. No.
1 million ringgits, 2 million ringgits.
Tell them
Bro.
about your drink.
Oh, I saw iced toffee, something, yeah, something. Have you guys ever tried before?
it's really good.
It's better than normal vanilla, right?
Yeah, no, it's very
What's it?
dairy.
Really
I
dairy.
like this so much more than normal vanilla ice cream.
Okay, we're doing a playing contest.
Oh, but we're
Play
doing
contest.
We just ate, guys.
Wait, before we start, who do you think is gonna win?
Cyrus. Of course it's gonna be Cyrus.
He's the one that consistently
Wait,
works
I
out.
said pee. I probably won't win.
No, you're staying here. You have to have some type of disadvantage.
3. Wait, hold on. 2.
Oh, it hurts.
1.
Go.
I just have to beat Isabel. Or one of you.
Melina, you're beating me.
No, I'm gonna lose.
Wait, actually.
Oh, there's a bug.
No!
Okay, okay,
It's a
oh!
We stopped at the same time!
Wait.
Wait, I was about to give up, but then you guys said it faster.
It's dead.
Oh, that was crazy. We tied. That was crazy.
This was good,
That was
guys.
impressive.
That was very impressive.
I'm really impressed.
I'm really impressed about you guys.
But I think we're
I'm impressed
all
by you
tied.
guys.
Back crack. Oh, am I cracking it?
Yeah, please.
No support.
I don't know how you do this.
Here.
You're not cracking. No, you're not.
Wait, I heard
You're
some-
not
I heard
cracking. Wait, I'm actually kind of scared. No, whoa, man. You're actually kind of heavy. You're actually kind of heavy. Wait. Okay, I got it.
Oh! Okay.
It is the next day. Today we are going to Batu Caves. And then I don't know itinerary, Audie planned it, who you will meet in a second. But this is Sarah. Everyone got here today. Hey guys! Or last night actually. Emily! Oh my god, why do I look like that? She's British. She's British. This is Audie. He did the itinerary for today. What is on the agenda?
Your mom.
Okay, moving on. This is the Shenzhen.
This is Daishin.
He's from China.
What?
Yes, okay, I'll see you at Batu Caves. You wanna say hi? Hi. She's from the Netherlands, but half Irish. Oh no, half Italian, half Italian, half Italian, half Irish. my bad. But we're at 7-Eleven getting food for breakfast.
We're at the restaurant to try authentic Malaysian food.
This is laksa and Thai tea. Isabel got the same thing, but she got it with the iced lemon tea.
Yeah.
It was okay.
Right? It's fine, but it's not like I would not.
But you can find better.
Yeah, much better.
We're gonna try 4 different dips. We're at an Arab restaurant right now.
We need more bread.
This is Papa Goodness, right?
Yeah, that's gonna be really good.
Damn. You guys filmed that shit. I don't know.
Also good. Wait, is it like significantly better than hummus I get from the grocery store?
Okay. I'm so happy.
She's so happy. Emily does not look happy.
Grape leaf thing.
Whole thing, one bite.
Okay.
It was nice.
But I look have some of that
I ordered also some more bread with like spices.
Yours.
Oh yeah.
That looks so good. Oh my god. Wow.
Taking a video.
Yeah. Is it good? It's so hot. So hot.
Oh, I want mango sticky rice.
Is it good? I think it's frozen.
Frozen?
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't care. Is it good though? Sorry. Oh my god. How are y'all feeling after that walk?
Very sweaty. I need a shower number 2.
Yeah, I need a shower again. Oh my. Okay, we're going to taste test fruit. We have like a very unripe fruit.
Yes.
Can you?
Sapodilla.
I like to taste.
Wait, it's good.
This isn't bad. You like the texture of it?
Yeah.
I have mixed feelings.
You know that
God.
Yeah.
The fruit was like, I think a good flavor.
It was good at the start,
Yeah.
and then the aftertaste was actually abysmal.
Wait, it wasn't even the aftertaste.
It was
There's
like
like there's like a coating in my mouth.
Something happened in my mouth that I
Insane.
don't appreciate.
Yeah.
I also maybe like ate part of the peel by accident, but I think regardless, that was not fun.
Yeah.
But
It's due because it's not right. Fine, but it's just not very flavored.
Okay, we're trying
Oh,
guava.
okay.
Okay. Amazing. Yay. Amazing. Oh my god.
Oh, so hard.
Yeah, it's also unripe.
Yeah, this is not ripe at all. It's like hard. But I think the flavor's good. It's a longan. No,
It's supposed to look like a dragon.
I've had this before though.
So I know what it tastes like. It's good.
Cyrus.
Best one so far.
So how many?
Yeah.
How many
I'm
would you
really
give
excited for
Three.
the yellow. I think native to Malaysia. I don't know.
So when you say it, there's no problem, huh?
Oh wait, it's really good.
That was my favorite.
Oh, she doesn't like fruit. This
Emily
girl.
is not a girl, you're vegetarian. You gotta like.
What?
you
It
gotta
tastes like
like
mango.
Mango.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
This tastes like a really shitty mango.
What?
Okay, we're gonna try mangosteen because apparently mangosteen's really good, but I've never had it. And I don't think.
I tried it.
Oh, you like it?
I like that, yeah.
Okay. Mangosteen. Oh. Okay. Fleshy?
Yeah.
She did not like it. Oh god, she really did not like
Wow.
it. That was so good, guys. I couldn't keep it in my mouth any longer, I think. We're trying Sarah's sourdough pancakes.
It's like alcohol.
Alcohol. Why do you think everything tastes like
No, I
alcohol?
don't know, it
Oh,
does.
no, it does.
It does.
That tastes like alcohol. It looks very good, but it took like so long to come out.
These are always dead.
I like the baby also.
Yeah, they're born with like genetic.
I don't know if it's worth the wait, but it's really good. Maybe not worth all that, but it's really good.
Yeah, most of them are very well made.
Very spicy, but it's good. It's not bad. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Nothing.
They look so shy. Y'all were not shy before.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's good. It's sweet. Oh my god. We got another one.